Hello, sixth grade. Today we are making predictions with theoretical probability. So we're going to use the spinner right here, and you can notice that it is in, let's see, count them up. Looks to me like there are 8 total sections, which means when we are writing a fraction, our denominators have to be 8. So let's look at the very first problem. It says, if you spin the spinner 80 times, about how many times would you expect it to land on 1? So let's find all the ones. There's 1, 2, 3 out of 8. So I'm going to write that as a fraction, 3 out of 8. But we're not going to spin it 1 time. We're going to spin it a total of 80 times. So I'm going to write an 80 on the bottom and think, how can I make 8 become 80? Well, that's times 10. So on the top, 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 out of 80 is my answer. Alternatively, I could take 3/8 and make it be a decimal. Here we go. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. And then I'm going to multiply that number by how many times we're going to spin the wheel. And that said 80 times, so times 80. All right, here we go, times 80. Well, look at that. There's the number 30. And that is the same answer that we just got here. So we would expect 30 times. You can use either strategy to solve the last two, but notice that the number of spins is changing. In the next one, it's 50 times. The one after that, it's 32 times. And be really careful in the last one. I'm also asking about an odd number, right? So if you're looking at the odd number, it's not just how many odd numbers are there, but how many sections have odd numbers. How many out of the 8? Right? Give it your best shot. We'll see you in class tomorrow.